This is the Loiusville ladder, the attic ladder, AA2210RF. And I don't know if that 175 is part of it, but I was having a problem coming down with this, where when it would come down, hit my wall. And I couldn't really go the other way, because there's nothing there. So what I did was I added these hinges here. And that is a Loiusville kit PK1059. And it comes with the hinges, and it says 16 bolts and washers and lock nuts, all that. But it didn't come with that many. I'm missing quite a few. I probably had 12 of them, or see. Yeah. But added those hinges now, and there's an extra folding section. So when I come down with this is the new section. Now it clears the wall. And all I did was add these little hinges, and I put the round part here towards the back, same as the bottom one, opposite of this top one. Want to go up the ladder? And that's it.